Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to protect your purchases with Walmart's protection plan? Here's how to add it using the Walmart app in just a minute. Start by opening the Walmart app and signing into your account if you are not already logged in. Find the protect you want to purchase and scroll down to the add protection plan option on the product page. Now select the protection plan that works best for you, like a 2-year or 3-year option, and add it to your cart along with the item. At checkout, double check that the protection plan is included in your order summary. Then complete your purchase. And that's it. Your purchase is now protected. For more helpful tips, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.